Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into 16 incredible ways to make money from home in 2024. From side hustles to full-blown businesses that could replace your 9 to 5. Whether you're a tech whiz, a creative soul, or just looking for extra cash, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Let's talk about freelancing. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients worldwide. Set your rates, choose projects, and work on your terms. Some freelancers make 6 figures a year from home. Are you a math whiz, a history buff? Share your knowledge and earn extra income through online tutoring. Platforms like VIPKid and Chegg Tutors connect you with students needing help. Set your own hours, work from anywhere, and make a difference. If you love to write and have a knack for storytelling, blogging could be your calling. You can monetize your blog through ads, affiliate marketing, and selling products. Blogging can generate passive income, meaning you can earn money while you sleep. YouTube channel. Lights, camera, cash. Create content about anything: cooking, travel, comedy, education. The possibilities are endless. If you love to entertain or educate, this could be your path to stardom and income. Earn money through ad revenue, sponsorships, and selling your own merchandise. Find your niche, create high-quality content, and engage with your viewers. Virtual assistant. Be the remote superhero businesses need. Businesses need talented individuals for administrative tasks, social media management, customer service, and more, all remotely. It's a flexible and rewarding career path, both financially and personally. Affiliate marketing. Recommend and earn big. Promote products you love and earn a commission for every sale through your referral link. Use your blog, social media, email list, or word of mouth. Share awesome products and earn money while doing it. Are you an expert in something you're passionate about? Creating and selling online courses is booming, and platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it easy to start. Your course can generate passive income for years. Ever dream of starting your own business and being your own boss? E-commerce makes it possible to sell products online without a physical store. Platforms like Shopify and Etsy make it easy to set up your store and manage inventory. Find a profitable niche, source quality products, and create a brand that resonates with your audience. Are you always the one snapping amazing photos? Upload your photos to sites like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock to earn royalties. Focus on high-demand niches like travel, food, business, and lifestyle. Ensure your photos are high quality and well-edited. Social media management. Become a social media maverick. Businesses need skilled individuals to manage social media, grow their audience, and drive sales. Work with multiple clients, set your own hours, and build a career from anywhere with Wi-Fi. Podcasting. Find your voice, build a community, get paid. Podcasting connects you with an audience, builds a community, and earns you serious cash. Monetize through sponsorships, listener donations, and selling your own products or services. Dropshipping. Sell products without the inventory hassle. Dropshipping is the magic trick of e-commerce. Sell products online without holding inventory. Create an online store, list products from a supplier, and they ship directly to your customer. It's a low-risk, high-reward model for aspiring entrepreneurs. Remote customer service. Help people, get paid, stay comfy. Remote customer service jobs are in high demand. Many companies hire individuals to provide support via phone, email, or chat from home. It's a great option for those who enjoy interacting with people and want a flexible work-from-home opportunity. Transcription services. Turn words into money. Transcription services are in high demand. You can transcribe audio and video files for businesses, researchers, and individuals. Use your typing skills to earn money on your own schedule. Online surveys. Get paid for your opinions. Want to get paid for sharing your thoughts? Online surveys are an easy way to earn extra cash. Companies pay for your insights. It's a simple way to earn a little extra. App development. Code your way to success. Coding skills can lead to a lucrative and rewarding career in app development. Develop and sell your own apps or offer freelance services. Turn your creativity and technical skills into a successful business. And there you have it, 16 ways to make money from home in 2024. Which one are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. The internet has opened up a world of opportunities to earn money from anywhere. Now go out there, hustle hard, and start building the life you've always wanted.